Baywatch. Anorexic ones, we're just running. Anorexic.
Yo, is this a volume or is this a speaker?
Is it?
Cause I don't know. Every time I block this, I release it like it's mad loud. Oh shit!
No, you almost fell.
Show the anorexic Baywatch. It's an anorexic Baywatch.
Hey, you want some food? You want some food? No! We have jiggle free TV. No, we're not fun. We just have little boobs, that's it. It's not big boobs sag. In the good thing.
Yeah, by the time you like this, like, bah, bah, bah.
I was watching something. No, I just woke up one day and I was nice in bathing suits and stuff like that, but when I saw her changing, it wasn't pretty. Her boobs were like all the way down here. Her were touching her belly button. I was watching, I just woke up randomly one day and I just saw Anna Nicole Smith with her huge boobs like on my TV like this. And I said, what is this? All I saw was huge boobs. I was like, am I still dreaming? Those boobs are fake. Oh yeah? That's why they look good when they're not without a bathing suit.
Nigga's taking a bath. Somebody's taking a bath. I'm recording.
Are you serious?
I'm such a pervert.
Is that a little kid?
No, it's a man.
Even worse. Even worse. You're not a child molester, you're
a man molester. Ooh, a kite. Nah, I can't see it. They got a pterodactyl looking.
I know. It looks like a pterodactyl because you can't see the street.
It's pterodactyl standing still.
Come on, I'm starving.
Let's go.
Alright.
Skinny people have to eat too, you know.
Did you bring money with you?
Of course.
Where is it? Oh. It's in her I'm not hungry. So I'm gonna be hungry.
Today's Wednesday, right?
Huh?
Today's Wednesday?
Yeah.
My mom not cooking nothing today.
I'll go back.
Your mom doesn't cook on Wednesdays?
No?
When we go back, I'll get you Chinese food.
Yeah. My mom is such a prick.
She doesn't. I can't believe she doesn't cook on certain days.
You're gonna have to eat, boy. You freaking fat ass.
I'm not fat, you call it fat?
Yeah, what? I don't call that skinny.
So don't call it fat or skinny. They call it, how you say?
Give me the camera. Watch.
Chunky.
Chunky?
This is freaking.
This is chunky.
This is freaking fat. That's fat right there. I'm telling you.
This is not fat. You go grab it, it's not fat.
Where are we gonna? I don't even know.
We're not gonna walk in the street.
You gonna walk there?
It's there, look.
There's a Popeyes over there.
They have pizza.
There's this Nathan's right here, and there's nothing.
They don't have no pizza.
Yeah, they do. They have it.
Oh, look at that doggy. I'm gonna record that doggy. Move, cat. Cat. Move your face.
You gonna like put it on YouTube or something?
What is it? Matthew?
Nathan's.
Huh?
Not even close. This is Nathan's, right?
It record James flying like an eagle.
What? Oh.
Hello.
I'm not doing no such thing. I'm not an undercover vampire.
You'll never come
I'm
up
rather
here
got
and
a
see
game
that
called
again
Shoot the
when I'm
Freak.
here.
It's just some
You
guy.
won't. Like, you'll never see that again, man. I got you.
He runs around.
I got you now. I didn't know that before, but now I know.
Oh, they're doing paintball.
Yo,
They're doing paintball.
give me high five. Blow them out out the water, baby.
It's just some guy running around
Throwing
in
them out the
building,
water,
and you have to shoot him with a paintball gun.
Oh,
And they call him Shoot the
You always bragging about
He's
being
not a
around
thief.
shoot the freak.
out the water right now.
Oh, right here?
Right here.
I think.
Yeah. Look right on that wall.
Hamburgers, ice cold Franks.
Chicken, hot sauce, hamburger.
I bet I said ice cold Franks. Oh, there goes pizza.
Where? Right there, the hot dogs and ice cold pizza. I mean,
Oh, I see, I see. But look how big is those pizzas.
it's like this one is.
Like those size.
That is kind
And
of
it's probably like $3.50.
How much is the pizza?
welcome to Coney Island, right?
You want one?
Give me one.
It's
Give me one.
expensive.
Give me one.
It's expensive.
How much money you got?
Pizza.
How much money you
Usually
got?
you get 2 pizzas for $3.
How much money you got?
I have more than $3, but I'm not gonna waste it on $3 pizza, especially if it looks like that.
It looks good, look.
I got pizza out back. You're getting it now.
But it's the size.
That's the size.
It's big ass pizza.
And
You
let's
just
try something different.
No, I actually just baked.
How much are those
It's
for?
like Subways.
everything, it's including the onion rings.
Everything is $3 an up, exactly.
Give me onion rings.
Everything is $3.
Give me onion
So
rings.
you guys want to buy something for me or not? Did we get a lap dance? A lap dance?
Just give me onion rings.
I'll buy one.
Yo, I asked you one favor. You couldn't give me a favor? Even a lollipop is $3.
How much is the lollipop's $3 too?
No.
Oh.
A quarter.
Oh, I was about to say like $1. Oh.
No, not that.
Hey, your battery's already dying.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I didn't
Why are
charge
you
it for a while.
recording for
Then
so
turn it
long?
off. That's starting to get me on my nerves.
Yeah, get nerves. Kill the vampire.
So you guys want
Kill the vampire.
You need to be what?